I'm a little bit fair complected, and I hate sunblock. So designing this shirt, I designed it with thumb holes so that you can protect the tops of your hands without having to coat them with sunblock. And it's very comfortable to fish with all day long. You can fish with it all day long, just like that. It's very comfortable. It's also comfortable for kayakers. It's not a problem. It's just like wearing a little glove. Also on this shirt that you won't find on these performance fishing shirts, I put a kill switch loop on these because obviously with the sun protection, the safety features, it just fits right in with the fish hide. The theme of the fish hide is all about safety. That shirt saved a day of fishing for me because somebody almost blew up my spot. Oh my gosh, big trout! Big trout! Holy crap! Oh, big sand pocket trout. That's a big trout. Oh my gosh. It had to be with Tobin. God, what a slop. That is a quarter corner fat boy. Come here, baby. Come here, big boy. Ah. All right, we're sitting here for a while.